Alright, I am at the Georgia War. I'm gonna range test my hydro cannon using a 36-inch barrel. So I have 200 feet worked out with 0 being where this speed loader is. It's a bit windy, so I don't know how badly that's gonna affect the darts, but I'll do about 5 shots and then I'll put some 3-0s down range. The battery's been used a little bit, so it's gonna fill up slightly slower, but here we go. And I'll be as level as I can. Chicken, you can help me out with that.
Okay, down a little bit.
Good?
Down a tiny bit. Up a tiny bit. You're good.
That's a bad one.
How far did that one go?
Huh?
How far did that one go?
Past 100.
100 feet flat.
All right, there's a southeast slug.
Really?
You're good.
Look, good pinpoint code.
Gotta look for good darts in my bag. There we go. That's a nice one. Some of these are awful.
And I'm guessing
all right, let's try a 3-0 here. There we go. I got it nice and airtight now. Is this it?
Yeah.
Holy crap. That one's down.
That was at least 150.
Yep. And we go
Was that like 170?
Let's go check it out. I can't tell you, I was using it with just, it wasn't tight, so there was a bit of air loss, and it's windy. So my guess is it could get a little further, but let's see where they landed. Alright, so the Maverick is 100 feet. We got 2 over here. These are at, that is 101. There's that red dart I shot. That is at 113. Let's go find those 3-0s. All right, this one is at 115, so that's 185? No, that can't be right. Oh, 51, I read that wrong. That's 149 feet for this one.
Flat.
And I know there was one more that landed somewhere over here. All right, we found the other one. It was actually really close to where, it was like a foot off from where its brother was. It's at exactly 50 feet, so that's 150. So without perfect seal, maybe about an 80. Hi, chicken. It was going 150 feet, which is pretty impressive for a hydro cannon that doesn't get 100% bladder fill. So yeah, there you go.